In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix beginning balance issues when reconciling in QuickBooks Online. If your beginning balance doesn't match your bank or credit card statement, the reconciliation won't work, so let's walk through how to find and fix what's off. Start on the left navigation and open Accounting, then choose Reconcile. This takes you to the reconciliation screen. Next, select the specific bank or credit card account you want to reconcile. Be sure you're on the correct account and statement period, so you're comparing the right data. Now, look at the beginning balance shown in QuickBooks. This number should match the opening balance on your bank or credit card statement for the period you're reconciling. If it doesn't, that's your signal that something changed since your last successful reconciliation, or that a transaction is missing. To track down the difference, review your account register for anything that looks off. Common culprits include transactions that were deleted after a reconciliation, amounts or dates that were edited, or duplicates that got added from the bank feed. Also, check for items that were previously marked cleared but are now uncleared, or vice versa. It helps to scan the period between your last reconciliation's end date and the current statement's start date, so you're focused on the window that affects the beginning balance. Once you've identified the problem transactions, make careful corrections. If you see a duplicate, delete only the extra one and keep the version that matches your bank statement. If a transaction has the wrong date or amount, edit it to match what's on the statement. If something was accidentally deleted, recreate it with the original date, payee, category, and amount. Service charges, interest, or bank fees should be entered on the exact date they appear on the statement. And if a change was made to a previously reconciled item, restore it to the original cleared status so it aligns with your past reconciliation. After you've made these adjustments, return to the reconciliation screen and confirm that the beginning balance in QuickBooks now matches the opening balance on your statement. When they match, you're ready to continue your reconciliation as usual, entering the ending balance and statement date and checking off the transactions that appear. That's how to fix beginning balance issues when reconciling in QuickBooks Online.